In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost a LinkedIn post. Increasing your presence on LinkedIn can be a game changer for your professional network, and boosting a post is a great way to do that. Let's dive right into the process. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You can enter your credentials manually using your email address and password, or for convenience, you can log in with your Google or Microsoft account. Keep in mind that if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn will likely prompt you to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. This is a quick additional security step to ensure your account stays secure. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the post you'd like to boost. Take a moment to check if it fits the criteria for boosting, as LinkedIn only allows certain types of posts to be promoted. These include text, image, article, video, and newsletter posts. Unfortunately, job posts, events, documents, polls, or group posts aren't eligible at the moment. Once you've found the appropriate post, look for the three little dots in the upper right-hand corner of the post. Click on them. Before proceeding, it's important to note that you will need a LinkedIn ad account that's associated with a valid payment method and linked to the page managing your post. Moreover, you must have content admin or super admin access to that LinkedIn page to proceed with boosting. If everything is aligned, the option to boost the post should be visible. If you don't see it, it could be due to a few reasons. The post type might not be eligible, you may have already boosted the post, or you might not possess the required access to the LinkedIn page in question. Remember, these permissions and accesses are crucial for a successful boost. If you encounter any issues, double check these specifics, or reach out to someone with the necessary permissions to help you. Once everything is set and you have found the boost option, click on it and follow the straightforward steps to choose your audience, set a budget, and finalize the promotion. And that's it. Boosting a LinkedIn post is a straightforward way to increase its visibility and reach a wider audience. This can lead to more interactions and potentially more connections, which is always a plus in the professional world. So take these steps to enhance your online presence and make the most of your LinkedIn experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.